Drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're in autonomous for match number 4 here in Albany, Georgia. The Peachtree District Albany event presented by Procter & Gamble. We got 5 seconds left to go as it's 16 points for the Blue Alliance and 15 points for the Red Alliance. Now the human players have control of the box for 2 minutes and 15 seconds as they move all over the ocean floor trying to rebuild that coral reef, placing those white cylindrical objects. They look like PVC pipes, but they're actually coral, as 10-482 scores 2 for their Alliance, along with 47-30 for placing it in the trough. On the Blue Alliance, the Robo Lions scoring as well. The Blue Alliance also scoring in the processor on the side, 6 points apiece. And then the Red Alliance takes those processed pieces of algae and places them in the net on top of the barge for 4 points apiece. As it's 31-33 for the Red. It's tied up right now with 1:36 left to go. 69.05 at the coral zone right now, coral reef. They're at their coral reef zone. They're trying to place that algae on what looks like the lower branch. That'll be worth 3 points as 1260 the Robo Lions places it high atop the reef, but it falls off down towards the trough. We got 1:19 to go as it's 42 for the Red and 48 for the Blue. As 45.09 scores 2 more points, 3 more points make that. As we bring it up to 45 for the Red, as they're catching up to the Blue Alliance, who has 53 right now, with 1:03 left to go at 60-23. That's the disc box, as one drop off into the trough area. 10-482 scoring 2 more points for the Red Alliance by placing that coral in the trough. That's worth 2 points for them right now. It's 45.09 looking to place their coral. They've got it. Oh, it bounces off to the ocean floor. 1261. They've got that coral in their possession. The Robo Lions dropping it down. It bounces back down to the ocean floor as the currents are affecting how their placement of the reef with that coral is happening right now. 1261's got it figured out. They place it in the middle. That's worth 4 points. As we're now 71 for the Blue and 51 for the Red with 25 seconds left to go. 71-30 and 10-482. They're underneath the barge at the end game. 10-482 pulls themselves up off of the floor. That's worth 12 points if they can stay up there with no part of their bot touching another robot or the ocean floor or a piece of coral or anything like that. 10-482, the buzz bots. As we come to the end of the match, it was 92-59, but we'll have to wait to see what the final outcome is when the fish are released onto the reef here in match number 4 in Albany, Georgia. right, in match number 4, they're fixing to release the fish to tell us who was victorious in that match. And it is the Blue Alliance victorious, as the fish are swimming strong on the reef with a score of another 100. That makes the third 100 score we've had in this match, in this competition so far. With the Red Alliance, they were able to gain 2 ranking points by having more than 14 points scored under the barge. They were able to also gain the ranking point for autonomous action, and the Blue Alliance gets 3 ranking points for their victory. Getting ready to set up for match number 5.